Welcome to Unit 4. Long ago, there lived an emperor who was very interested in new clothes. He spent all his money in buying new clothes. One day, two men appeared in his court and said, "We are weavers. We can prepare the most beautiful cloth in the world for you." The emperor felt very happy. The men said, "The cloth we make is also very interesting and special. People who are wise only can see it, but not people who are foolish." The emperor thought, "That is very good. When I have those clothes on me, I will notice who are wise and who are not." A lot of money was given by the emperor to them. The emperor ordered, "Start the weaving immediately."